guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Kiara, and today I'm bringing you guys the apple cider vinegar rinse video. This is something I'm going to be trying for the first time. I've been watching a couple of videos about it and I want to give it a try. A lot of natural hair females and males have been saying that this is a great rinse to do once a month to get all the gunk and stuff out of your hair. And I have been having this bunning all weekend for work, and as you can see, I'm looking busted and raggedy. I always look busted and raggedy when I'm bringing you guys these videos, but whatever. But yeah, we're gonna give this a try. It's gonna be quick and simple, and I'm gonna show you my way of doing it. I mean, it's only really like one way. I mean, people have their own little twists, but we're keeping it simple. So what you're gonna need is a little spray bottle, or you can use like one of them little applicator bottles, but to me the spray bottle will be easier. You're gonna need apple cider vinegar, of course. I prefer the Bragg's. I mean, I use this for everything. Make sure you shake it up nice and well. And then you're gonna need some water. I have some water in a cup. But all right, we're gonna start pouring this into the bottle. I'm probably gonna fill it up halfway. Yeah, so I'm gonna do half of the bottle with apple cider vinegar. Take my water and pour it into the bottle. I'm gonna do half as well, so even it out. So that's my mix: half apple cider vinegar, half water. Mad simple. I'm going to untie my hair. I already played with it a little bit to get the gel unhardened, because this honey boo boo, my hair was slick to the gods. All right, so I'm just gonna take like half, split it, put my hair in half. I'm gonna put this side up. You know, my hair is so. All right, now that I got my hair parted, I'm gonna start with the side that's down, of course, and I'm gonna start off in my scalp, spray it in my scalp. Then I'm gonna just massage it in. Ugh, this shit stinks. It stinks so bad. I hate the smell of apple cider vinegar, but I mean, it beats better than rice water. Now, do y'all agree? Because rice water stink. It smells like somebody's booty hole died. I'm gonna spray some more up in my scalp. Just massage it in. And then I'm gonna start spraying on my ends. I'm gonna rub it in. I'm gonna spray on the rest of my strands, get it nice and soaked. I should be using my towel. I hate a wet shirt, but anyways, my handy dandy cloth towel, t-shirt towel. All right, so I'm gonna start rubbing my hands. Well, not rubbing my hands. I'm gonna start finger combing my hair. So now that this side is like nice and easy to run my hands through, look at that. Don't you just love easy, manageable hair? Whoop. So I'm gonna take this scrunchie out now. Just wrap this up because I'm done with that side. And I'm gonna move on to the side. See how easy? I barely have shedding, just a little shedding. I'm telling you, that rice water works. So if I was y'all, check out my rice water video. That nice. Oh, this apple cider vinegar is so strong, it stinks. So I'm just massage my head one more time. Massage. I'm just going to put it up in a little bun or whatever. Put the scrunchie around it and throw on the shower cap, okay? And I will be leaving this in for about 30 to 45 minutes. So once the time is up, I'm gonna go rinse it out in the shower and I will be back to show you guys the results. All right, guys, I am now back, hair freshly rinsed. And this is the results of the apple cider vinegar rinse. There's no product in my hair. My hair is literally stripped from any of my products that I had in my hair and any of the oils, my natural hair oils, anything. Like, it is stripped. You can feel the difference. It is really soft. I was shocked because at first I was nervous because, like, in the shower when the water was rinsing it out, it felt like, you know, when your hair is stripped, it's not hard but it's not soft. So I was just nervous. But like, it is soft, and there's still some, like, it's not like super frizzy. It's frizz, of course, because there's nothing like in it, like literally nothing. No type of nothing. So yeah, I think this is good. I think this is something you should do once a month to get your hair squeaky clean. This the result. Super clean, no buildup, nothing. It is clean, squeaky clean. The only thing, the only con I have, like the dislike, is the smell of the apple cider vinegar. Like, it stinks so bad and it's so strong. And like, I'm not even gonna lie, like, if it was rinsed out, I still have the smell, you know what I mean? So I wouldn't do this if I was about to go out somewhere, you know. No, this is something I would do that one day where you're just chilling and you're done, you're not going anywhere, you're just at home. So yeah, but yes, so this is all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you comment below, let me know your thoughts, especially if you giving it a try. And if you're not a part of the gang, like, what is wrong? Subscribe, please subscribe. Push that subscribe button and be a part of the gang. And I'll see you guys in my next video.